Introducing the Oscars grind strategy. One of Deriv Bot's preset strategies is designed to help you navigate the markets with ease. This strategy aims to achieve a cumulative profit of 1 unit in each session, regardless of the number of trades. Here is how it works. Start by choosing your initial stake. For example, set your initial stake at 1 USD. This 1 USD is your baseline. If the first trade is a successful trade, and it meets the target of 1 unit of profit, which is 1 USD in this example, the session ends. If trading continues, a new session begins. The stake for the next trade resets to the initial stake of 1 USD. This is the first principle of Oscars grind, aiming to potentially make 1 unit of profit per session. Then, if there's a trade resulting in a loss followed by a successful trade, the stake will increase to 2 USD. This is shown in round 6. This is the second principle of the Oscars grind strategy, where the stake is increased only after a loss is followed by a successful trade. In round 7, the stake is adjusted downwards from 2 USD to 1 USD to meet the target profit of 1 USD. This is the third principle of the Oscars grind, where the stake adjusts to the gap size between current session loss and the target profit for the session. The stake adjustment is calculated by the difference between the target session profit of 1 USD and this current session's profit and loss of 0, which gives us an adjustment of 1 USD. In every other scenario, the stake for the next trade will be the same as the previous one. The second session ends after meeting the target session profit of 1 USD. If trading continues, a new session will begin again. This strategy minimizes risk exposure while aiming to reach the objective of small but regular growth. It's important to manage your risk by setting the profit and loss thresholds. This helps to secure potential profits and limit potential losses. For example, if you set a profit threshold at 100 USD and the strategy exceeds 100 USD in profit from all trades, then the bot will stop running. Vice versa for the loss threshold. In summary, the Oscars grind strategy minimizes risk exposure while aiming to reach the objective of small but consistent growth. It is highly recommended to open a demo account and familiarize yourself with the Oscars grind strategy before trading with real money. More information on preset strategies can be found in the Tutorials tab. Introducing the Oscars grind strategy.